Hi, welcome to Mati's cookbook. Today's recipe is a very healthy baked methi matri. These are the ingredients we need to make this healthy matri. Take a wide bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour to it. Add half a cup of maida followed by quarter cup of rava or semolina. To these flours, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 3 teaspoons of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, and finally salt to taste. Combine all of these dry ingredients together well so they are uniformly distributed. Now add 3 teaspoons of ghee to this dry ingredients. Use the hands and combine them to form a crumble-like consistency. Traditionally, matris are prepared with only maida, but we have used wheat flour and a portion of maida to make it a bit healthier. Sprinkle water little by little and begin to make a dough. Now the dough is ready. Keep kneading the dough for another 5 minutes until they become very soft. You can also make this matri completely with maida, and instead of baking them like the way we are going to do, you can deep fry them too. Allow this dough to rest for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes make a big orange sized balls from this matri dough. Matri is a very common snack made in North India during Holi festival. Dust flour and flatten the matri balls. Make sure you're making a thick sized sheet. Now poke holes throughout the matri using a fork. Use different molds to shape these matri, or you can use any round lids to make a round shaped matris. Now the matris are shaped. In a baking sheet, place parchment paper and grease them. Line each of the shaped matris, leaving some space between each of them. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit. Once you have lined the matris, Brush them with little bit of ghee on the top and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. Now the matris are baked and are let to cool down. Methi matris are now ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.